Hi everybody. So today we're going to talk about a very beautiful technique, which is my favorite, that is the water bottle technique. So all of you who are not following me, please go ahead, like, share and subscribe my channel. And I'm going to tell you about a wonderful technique, which is called the water bottle technique. So all you have to do is you have to take a water bottle like this and you can write all your affirmations on this. So right now I have a very few affirmations written over here because the few affirmations that I have written, I have already realized them. It means I have already manifested them in my life. So I have removed the old affirmations and I have put the new affirmations. So every time you want to manifest anything, you can go ahead and update it. And this water works wonderfully. So how you will use this water? You have to take a normal sticky pad like this. You can use these kind of stickers, okay? And you have to just write your affirmations on these sticky notes. You can use different colors. Write it and paste it on a water bottle. If you're not able to paste it, because it's one-sided, so you can use the stickers which come where you can use with the glue. All right. And after you paste it, or how you have to use this water, I'm going to tell you now. So fill this water bottle with water and keep it overnight. All right. So once you keep it overnight, this water gets charged with the frequency that you want to attract in your life. And once you wake up in the morning, use this water. And if you think that this is very less for you to drink, if you go to office or something, then you can have two water bottles. So one you can take it to your office and you can use it. And when you come back, you can use the other bottle. So this is how you can uh, use the waters alternatively. Or else what you can do is you can also keep filling this water bottle every time once it gets over. So you have got many options to use this water bottle. However you want to use it, you can use it. But the main thing is you are supposed to have the affirmations written on it. All right, so thank you so much. I hope this technique was very helpful for you and it's an amazing technique. Go ahead and use it and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. All right, and I will see you in the next video with such amazing techniques. Thank you guys. Have a great day. Bye-bye. And if you would like to join my free workshop, you're always welcome to. So I'm going to give you the link below this video and please go ahead and join my free workshop.